expert committee did not assess regarding your presence or absence.
Minus.
Expert committee assessed regarding that linger lactate solution.
Page 22 we assessed whether I was inside the operation theater or not. That was seen.
Any proceedings started against you?
Well, I'm under suspension. I'm under suspension.
I'm not a government servant. How can
I'm not a government servant even. The disciplinary proceeding has been started. Neither I'm getting any suspension allowance. Only I've been suspended my life.
And the grievance is of the present petitioner.
I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
But I have already submitted the report with the envelope.
Petitioner in anesthesiology and he was the senior resident doctor of Midnapore Medical College.
Mr. Chatterjee, there are materials prima facie. What I am doing, I am not keeping the matter pending. You go for anticipatory bail, sir.
Kindly allows the
Not a case for quashing, sir.
my lord, kindly comes to my supplementary affidavit, page 17 and page 17, page 22. The preliminary report and the final.
And this is similar the on the same ground, but my lord has already returned, but ultimately, but this order has been passed by the honorable division bench in the
My lord,
appeal matter.
Needs to analyze, my lord, whether section 105 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita at all comes, my lord. They have started a case under section 105 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, equivalent to section 304. Section 304 of the Indian Penal Code.
Our investigation is on. So we have not filed any charge sheet.
Within the purview of section 304 of the Indian Penal Code. Kindly come to page 71.
Then I am going to discuss the materials, and I was not intending to do that. Their main case is that you have got the work done through the PGT. Number one.
My lord, our case.
Can I consider your case now, or I have got to give it?
Our case. My lord, page 17 kindly comes of our supplementary affidavit. Thereafter, as your lordship wishes, I shall bow down before your lordship. My lord, kindly comes to supplementary affidavit. We have filed page 17. This is the preliminary report of the inquiry committee. There is no whisper regarding the gross negligence of the present petitioner. Kindly come to the suggestion for supplementary.
Hey, এটা একটু খোলো তো হ্যাঁ সাপ্লিমেন্টারি আছে
Page 17.
You answer me. I am going to hear you. Provided aid you overcome this. Were you at the hospital at the relevant point of time? Where is that document?
My lord, first, my lord, kindly allow me to state that on that particular date, 3 lady patients, they entered into the operation theatre, and I was the senior resident doctor on 8 January 2025. She was in supervision of obstetrics and gynecology department. Subsequently, she was attending the patients who were admitted in the critical care unit. Around 9 p.m., she was inside the operation theatre. The anesthesia was pushed. Thereafter, my lord, delivery was done. After being stable, my lord, the patients, she came out of the operation theatre. Still, my lord, 2 doctors were inside the operation theatre. My lord, kindly see, my lord, page 17. But this is not a case that on that particular date I was not in the operation theatre. I was very much inside the operation theatre. My lord, kindly appreciate. Ringa lactate saline was.
That's a separate part, sir.
The symptoms were three patients.
Yes, space. I'm reading, sir. This is the prosecution case. Can I change?
Only one thing.
She was reading the preliminary
No,
report.
not the status.
No, preliminary. My language is relying over the preliminary report. Page 22, kindly come to
I
the
shall come.
conclusion. No, kindly come to the conclusion. Page 22. Possibility of adverse drug reaction cannot be ruled out. Then investigation is required for this.
17. Suggestion.
My language is relying upon the inquiry report.
We may suggest that above mentioned drugs and infusions of those particular batches may be withheld for
That is something else, sir.
Number-
That is one part.
incident.
Then conclusive part.
That means you will not work. Sir,
My lord.
paragraph 9, report has I am reading, that is between me and the state. During investigation from the statement of nurses, operation theatre, Matrima of the said hospital, it is evident that Dr. Shomin Das, RMO, and Dr. Pallavi Banerjee, senior resident of the operation team, was not present during the operation.
In the operation?
Ah,
No, my lord, I bow down.
plea of validity, how can I take no?
Investigation.
I bow down. My lord, kindly, as my learned senior friend was showing page 22, kindly comes. Is there any whisper, my lord, I was not inside the.
In course of investigation, whatever has.
Yes, if it is not, you will be discharged.
Page 22, my lord, conclusion. Possibility of adverse drug reaction cannot be ruled out.
Yes.
Related to infusion, ringers, lactate, injection of.
So if you want me to deal with full case, I am ready to do
No, my
do
lord,
the hearing, sir.
My lord, how-
Sir, go for anticipate.
I was not inside.
No, how, what, sir, courts are not supposed to.
Then, my lord, kindly sees the CCTV footage whether I was inside the.
That is not.
Then entire trial will be
That
paid
the
before this court.
anticipatory bail code, if it requires, it will see, sir. I have given you protection.
Highly appreciates my.
This is not a case for quashing of the FIR. You come from quashing of the charge sheet, I will
Yes.
consider everything.
Throughout the time of operation, I was there. Well, and at the
Sir,
same
counter facts, I will not appreciate. it.
Anticipation. In the charge sheet, he cannot be. In the investigation, if it is not.
My
He
lord,
can,
kindly appreciates Jacob Matthew. I shall place before your lordship. This is his intention, my lord. At least here. It's a my lord. It's a my lord.
You are leading towards hearing, Mr. Chatterjee. If I go through these, I will go for final. No, yeah, appreciating, sir. If I would not have appreciated, I would not have protected you till then.
I know, my lord.
Ah, so the fact remains over here is that
Quashing of the
I cannot quash this FIR. I have got to quash this FIR. So if you want me to deal with the issue relating whether a case for quashing is made out or not,
My lord,
then I have got to deal with that.
how they are saying that I was not.
How they are saying, how can I say that, sir? I have got, you know the position of a judge.
required
So far as,
investigation.
so far as inherent powers of the court are concerned, both under 482 and 226, they are limitations of the court.
আরে ভাই চার্জশিটটা দিতে দাও ভাই, চার্জশিটটা হয়তো নাও হতে পারে।
My lord, may I humbly pray for one thing? If my quashing application is rejected, then my lord, at the time of this hearing of discharge application, my lord, shall be prejudiced.
So that liberty I will give you. No issues. That liberty I will give you, sir. Because the points you are agitating is the point of
At the relevant point of view.
point time. If provided they file, they may not file charge sheet against you, sir.
But my lord, in this case, if your lordship rejects my application,
Reject.
Then if you do hearing, I have got to do that, sir.
Reject.
If you don't do, give an option.
On merit যদি যাও তাহলে।
If you say that quashing is not maintainable, then I have got to decide whether quashing is maintainable or not maintainable. That will lead.
Our case is, my lord, that at that point of time, she was inside the.
What is your option? Tell me, Mr. Chatterjee. What do you want to do right now?
My prayer is kindly interfere into this allegation, my lord. As my lord, this was done absolutely on the basis of the drugs which was used on that particular.
Yes, I have got no issues regarding that, sir. Maybe one of the points that is also being taken care of, sir. That is also taken. I don't dispute
If that observation is there.
No, I will not give any observations, sir, right now.
No.
I will not.
But my lord,
Because
final report, final inquiry report shows. There is
final inquiry can't. Is a status report.
sorry, my lord, preliminary report as well as experts comment.
Expert committee did not assess regarding your presence or absence.
Minus.
Expert committee assessed regarding that linger lactate solution or not.
Page 22 we assess whether I was inside the operation theater or not. That was seen.
Any proceedings started against you?
Well, I'm under suspension.
Sorry.
I'm under suspension.
I'm not a government servant. How can
I'm not a government servant even. The disciplinary proceeding has been started. Neither I'm getting any suspension allowance. Only I've been suspended, my lord.
suspension?
But in quashing case is not made out, sir. Even they may be incorrect. But you know the limitations of quashing. Try to appreciate that, sir. Cholation, I'm giving you liberty to agitate the point at the stage of consideration of charges, sir.
It is fine. Not at the stage of consideration. It is fine.
Charge sheet
Fine হয়নি তো চার্জশিট এখন এই চার্জশিট ফাইল হয়নি
My lord, if charge sheet is fine, charge sheet has not yet been filed.
At the time of submission, in the meantime, other remedies you exhaust.
In the meantime, my lord,
Other remedies if you have,
that
how can I?
then
Even-
let it be pending, but still.
No.
Still filing of final report.
There cannot be a blanket order, sir.
Otherwise, my lord, I shall be.
So you filed for and You have been meeting, there has been no effort on behalf of the police authorities to arrest you also.
Yes, because my lord, this.
You went to that is a subsequent improvement. You went and met the investigating team, sir.
I have already made.
That is what I say. During this period, you have met the investigating team.
The protection is required. Otherwise, my lord,
They go for anticipatory. No more, sir. It's the order was passed long ago. The order was passed long ago. This is almost more than 6 months. The order ago, this order has been passed.
more than 6 months.
Hmm.
In my lord, this observation is required. I bow down before your lordship that we have also cooperated the investigating agency. This is not a case that we have not cooperated.
And this is not a case also where you should be taken into custody.
হ্যাঁ
That case aligned incident, my lord, your lordship knows everything.
That is not right now in the news. যখন news এসে learned it appearing for the petitioner.